In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a row in a table in LibreOffice Writer quickly and safely. If you've ever been working inside a document and realized you added the wrong row, duplicated information, or just need to clean up your table, this simple method will save you time. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and you do not need any special tools. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips and easy software guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your Start menu, or your Applications folder, depending on your device. Once LibreOffice opens, load the existing document that already contains the table you want to edit. If the document is already open, just switch to it and scroll to the table you need. Before you delete anything, take a second to look at the table carefully so you make sure you are removing the correct row. This is important, especially if your table contains names, dates, numbers, or any information you want to keep. Next, click anywhere inside the row that you want to delete. You do not need to highlight the whole row manually. Just place your cursor in any cell within that row, and LibreOffice will know which row you are working on. This is one of the easiest parts of the process, because the program uses your cursor position to identify the row for deletion. Once your cursor is inside the correct row, go up to the top menu and click Table. This opens the table options for the row, column, and cell tools inside LibreOffice Writer. From there, look for Delete. When you hover over or click Delete, you will see more options appear. Select Rows from the menu. This tells LibreOffice that you want to remove the entire row, not just a single cell or a column. After you click Rows, the selected row will be removed from the table immediately. That's all there is to it. The row disappears, and the remaining rows automatically adjust to fill the space. If needed, you can repeat the same steps for any other row you want to remove. Just click inside the row, open Table, choose Delete, and then select Rows again. If you make a mistake, you can always use Undo right away to bring the row back. That's a helpful safety tip, especially if you are editing a large table or working quickly. So the full process is simple. Open LibreOffice, open your document, click inside the row, go to Table, choose Delete, and then click Rows. In just a few seconds, your unwanted table row is gone. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.